Welcome to Kitchen Guy. You know I love Italian cuisine, and today I want to show you a recipe that uses eggplant instead of pasta to make a delicious and beautiful casserole. First, we need to make a simple marinara sauce. So cook 3/4 of a cup of diced onion along with 2 cloves of minced garlic, and then add in a couple of cans of diced Italian tomatoes, and then a packet of Italian dressing mix. Mix it all together, and then let it simmer over low heat, stirring frequently. In the meantime, cut an eggplant lengthwise into 1/4-inch slices and then arrange them on a sheet pan. Then spray each slice with cooking spray on both sides, and salt and pepper. And then bake in a 425 oven for 10 minutes, and then turn the slices over and bake for another 5 minutes. While the eggplant slices are cooling, combine thawed and drained chopped spinach, along with a cup of ricotta cheese, half a cup of Parmesan, and 3/4 of a cup of mozzarella, and then some dried basil. Mix that all together well, and then spread the mixture evenly over the eggplant slices. Roll them up and place them seam side down in a casserole. Top with the marinara sauce and some more mozzarella cheese and some Parmesan, and then bake it in a 350-degree oven until the cheese is nicely melted and gooey. Get this recipe and more information by logging on to our website or writing to me here at the station. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy. I'll see you next week.